What's up, Grilla Nation? You ever have a dessert that you just love and all your family and friends that are over, they enjoyed it, and then you tell them that you made it on your grill, and they're like, what? No way! Well, I got a recipe for you, and they're gonna love it. It's a cobbler, fruit cobbler, a blueberry peach cobbler. You'll make this and then have everybody like, hey man, I gotta have some more of that. You don't like fruit? I'm not sure what to tell you. But if the peaches or the blueberry are the problem, we can swap those out and I'll show you how. So for this cobbler, we need a few simple ingredients. We got 4 cups of fruit. I got 2 cups of sugar divided. So I got 1 cup here. I got another cup in this. Then I have a cup and a half of self-rising flour. We'll have a cup and a half of milk and 1 stick of butter. First things first, we're going to get our fruit incorporated in a bowl, in a pot, and we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. And we're going to let that come to a boil. That's going to take 10 minutes. You add your half cup of water to go with that, just to loosen everything up a little bit. Stir it every so often. Make sure you get that simmering for 10 minutes once it's come to a boil. Mixed up 1½ cups of flour and 1 cup of sugar. To this, I will add 1½ cups of milk. That will be done for our crust. Once I get this mixed, it'll sit to the side and it'll be done. I have 1 stick of butter. This is going to go in the chimp. Once it's melted, to it, I will add my crust ingredients, and then we will spoon in the fruit. The fruit gets put in last. Just ladle it in, a little bit at a time. Once you've got it all in, stick it on the chimp, 35 to 40 minutes. Now we're going to take the butter out of the grill, add our crust ingredients. Be careful not to splash it. The butter's hot. Do not stir. Add your fruit, spoon at a time. Again, do not worry about the crust. It will come over the fruit. Do not stir it. Once you've got all the fruit in, gently pour in this juice for the fruit and then return to the grill to cook 35 to 45 minutes. Time to get dessert out of the chimp. I wish you could smell this. Cobbler's done. Got a little bit of ice cream. Nothing like that. Hope yours is as good as mine is. Smoke on.